So, Anne.
Hi!
Here we are at Umriver.
Yes!
With this beautiful harness and helmet, what will you be doing?
Oh, paragliding. Oh my god, look at the view.
Is this your first time?
First time paragliding, yes.
What made you choose?
Oh, I saw this a few years ago, and first glance, I want to do that. That's it.
Good instincts.
Here we are.
I like it.
Yeah. You love it, you do it.
Are you ready to run down the slope with me?
I am ready. I'm gonna try my best.
Somebody's enjoying herself.
Here we are in the air. How's this feeling?
Oh, heaven. This is heaven. I can stay here all day. We can.
I'm trying. So are you enjoying the view?
Oh, 100, 1,000%, 1,000,000%.
Let's have a quick look and see if we can go around it. I'm trying to do it slow.
Yes, whatever you need to.
Just gonna let it record, okay?
Okay.
There we go. So what do you think about that, Angie?
It's priceless.
Okay.
Worth it. Like
Cool.
it's like a different way of seeing Switzerland.
It is.
Like it.
And we just have to show that we had a bit of a fast landing. This is Angie's landing track. And probably on your bum, it's quite... Actually, I did pretty well. I did pretty